Hi guys, it's Tara and today I'm going to be reviewing the shock contact gear and the race helmet. So first I'm going to be talking about the jersey and how it fits for me. The jersey has an anatomic cut for unrestricted mobility. I felt like it was really easy to move around and it let a lot of air in, so it was good on a hot day like this. The cuffs had a really unrestricted finish and I felt really comfortable around my wrists, letting it move around. The overall cut of the collar was really comfortable too. It didn't scratch at all and it overall looks really nice. So the feel of the jersey was really light and breezy, and I felt like when I was riding it was really cooling. And I do like the colour of it, as blue does look really nice with my bike, and just with the gear it just complements everything. Now let me tell you about the pants. They've got a pre-curved fit for better riding position. The pants felt really comfortable and I felt like I was able to move around. They weren't too tight around different areas and they just overall had a really good finish. The knees had a spandex finish so that it was really comfortable when you had your knee braces on. I also really like the leather insert patch as it can help with wear and tear. And with the silicone at the back of the pants, I felt like the jersey was held in really well and it just all stayed in position when I was riding. So the airflow of the pants was really good, especially on a day like this. It was a good time to test them. I felt like when I was riding it wasn't getting too hot and I felt like I just didn't even think about the heat. The helmet fit was really comfortable overall. It felt like it wasn't too tight, but at the same time it wasn't moving around when I was riding. The helmet felt really light too when it was on. The helmet wasn't too enclosed too, so it let a lot of airflow in while I was riding and I felt like I wasn't getting too hot in it. Alright, so that's my thoughts on the new shock contact gear for women, and overall I rate it so hard, I love it so much and I reckon you should go buy it.